Hello to you and thank you for watching my video. As always, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or would like me to cover something in greater depth or cover something I have not, please put it into the comments. This video is an add-on showing how to use Haproxy instead of nginx to load balance two PHP IPAM servers. This video is basically a follow-up. I had some people ask me if I could do it on Haproxy. So let's go. So the first thing I need to do is install Haproxy on my Rocky Linux 9.5. Next, I will enable and start Haproxy. The next piece is I'm going to not use the default, so I'm going to take the Haproxy file, copy it, make a backup of it, and then I'm going to remove the original file. Next, I'm going to create my own configuration file that I know works for me. And let me grab it and paste it in here for you. So here we go. So basically I've set a pretty standard, this is the default user and group, setting it to a daemon. I am using HTTP. So if you need HTTPS, I currently need to set up a new certificate server. So if somebody wants it, I can show on a domain local using 443 for that, but I figured I'd just set this up like this. Here's the same servers from the previous video for nginx. If you watch that, you'll see 55 and 35, and they're both right there. And then I also am using the Haproxy statistics. So everything should be good to go. Let me write that out. To do a validation, I'm going to do the Haproxy check, and it says my configuration file is good. So I think we can proceed to now setting up the Haproxy run folder. So basically I created a folder var run Haproxy. I set Haproxy to that ownership, and then I set the rights to that folder. Next, we need to run some rights in that folder, and so I'm going to run semanage, and I'm going to set it to that folder, and then do the relabel the folder so that this, and what I can do is confirm that by doing an ls zd, and it looks like we're good to run. Next, I need to enable SE Linux to allow me, right, to connect out, right? So that one is on. Next, I need to allow two things. And let's paste that in. So I need to allow port 80. So that would be for the proxied connection web page to our two servers, and then this is for from back in the file up there. I don't think you can see it. This is for the statistics page, and then of course reload the firewall. So we had all success. So now I'm going to restart Haproxy, and I should see an error, and I did. Now I want to show you what's going on here. So in here you'll see that the enter a failed state with an exit code failed to start. Okay, I'm not going to go too much into detail what that is, but basically, is it up here? Yeah. So it can't connect to this socket. And I think if I make that smaller, let's see if I do it that way. Yeah, so basically it's a Unix permissions error. Let's see if I make that a little bit smaller. Yeah. So we need to basically grant permissions to that bind socket. And the way we do that is what we'll do is we'll go in and create a an allow rule using audit to allow, and we will apply that. Now, one thing is here, and you do need to follow this very carefully because when you go to restart it, this won't fail if you don't restart it. So you need the restart to cause this error so then you can scan for it so then you can build that. Now, if I do a restart, we should be fine. There should be no issue. And if I go to SE Linux, right, we can see that everything's running good. Now, we can curl from the local machine, right? This is our 55 server, and then this is our 35 server, right? So we're all good there. We want to check our local server that it's listening, and we're good there. So now let me open a browser. Let's see if this works. Okay, here we go. So our server is at 205, and I think it's the same password I typed before. So, right, we can see that we're working, and I don't know if yeah, see, those are from all the original ones. Now, the other thing we can do is this, right? So we have the 8404 and the stats, and we made that admin password. And as you can see here, that's our PHP IPAM servers, right? And that's number 2. We can, let's create some traffic here. And we should be able to do a refresh, and we'll see that we're actually, load balancing between the front end, between the two servers right there. Well, for the, one piece I wanted to talk about. For your troubleshooting, this is the most important thing. This will get you all of your info, tell you what's going on for Haproxy. And then you also want to make sure that you can see the back end. So if this isn't showing up, then you can obviously see that there's an issue or whatnot. It's pretty useful. Nginx versus Haproxy, that's an argument for other people, but I hope this made understanding and how this works and that it's really simple and fast to set up. I hope the coverage of how to set up Haproxy instead of Nginx to load balance 2 or more PHP IPAM servers on an external MariaDb server is simple. I will post the kind of how-to up on the Git site. And finally, I wanted to thank you for watching my video. And as always, please like and subscribe and add some comments of what you liked or what else you would like me to cover. Thanks, and have a great day.